Ready na guys ang ang main dish namin. Katatapos ko lang. Napaka-presko guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. May broccoli, may corn, tomatoes, pepper. Mamaya sasamahan ko pa yan ng onion. Hindi ko lang inilagay kasi may balat pa. Pero may kasamang onion niya na ihiwain. Ayan ba? Ganyan ah. Ganyan lang yung pupunta sa itatapon lang yan sa grill. Look at the corn. It's so nice and pretty. Look at that. And we have the potato also. The potato is still like, they just dug it